Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon salad dressing, updated. Start by squeezing fresh lemon juice and zest into a bowl, then add minced garlic and a pinch of salt. Whisk in extra virgin olive oil slowly to emulsify, then adjust with honey or Dijon for sweetness and tang. Taste and tweak seasoning, then chill briefly to let flavors meld before serving on greens or roasted vegetables. In this video, I will show how to make lemon salad dressing, updated. For a herby twist, stir in chopped basil, dill, or parsley, and a little lemon zest for added perfume. For creaminess, blend in plain yogurt or a spoon of mayonnaise, or use avocado oil for a lighter mouthfeel. Taste and balance acid with a touch of honey or maple syrup, and always season at the end to perfect the flavor. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more tasty ideas your way. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth offers clear, practical advice that can free up your time and money so you can enjoy cooking and life more. I find its perspective refreshingly simple and motivating. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make lemon salad dressing, updated. Transfer the dressing to a sealed jar and refrigerate, where it will stay bright for up to 1 week. If separation occurs, give the jar a vigorous shake or whisk briefly before pouring. Serve chilled or at room temperature over greens, roasted vegetables, or use as a quick marinade for chicken or fish to add vibrant lemon flavor to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.